We like the cars that go.
Hey you guys, this is Tactical Hippie back again. I just wanted to say thanks for watching the channel. Today we're going to be going and doing something really cool. I'm going to be replacing the stock exhaust with an SP1R Titanium single exit exhaust system. It's kind of a custom thing where it's more like a small company that tried to reproduce like a heritage version of the original Mark IV style Supra exhaust with like one single exit and a big exit. So that's what I'm doing today. Right now I'm going into Home Depot to try and get a Dremel because you need to cut a few pieces in order to get this thing to fit. Going over to my buddy Easy Mac's house and he's going to help me put this thing on. I'm really excited. I did some before and after audio stuff, so you guys will be able to see what that sounds like before and after. I have a catted active auto work catted downpipe on there, so it changes the sound from stock a little bit. So we're not starting from stock. We have a catted downpipe on there. So hope y'all have a great one. Thanks for watching the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. I have one of the One Plus deals, so I think I want to get another One Plus Dremel tool if they have it. Gotta find it though. There it is. Alright, hey guys, this is Tactical Hippie back again. As I mentioned before, I'm over at Easy Mac's garage here, and we're going to be working on the Supra today. Already unboxed. So that's the stuff, and then here is the muffler. Beautiful. The welds are amazing on this. So it was a really long wait, but looks like a high quality product. So we're gonna jack up the car, take off the exhaust, the current exhaust.
That's insane.
What? Oh, that fucking screw?
Watch your
You're
head.
right, you're right.
No, watch your head. I can't believe I didn't hit it.
Skewer yourself in the back of your brain.
Genuinely shocked.
Elon Musk Neuralink, the first Neuralink
Bro,
with a screw.
how bad is that shit? Oh my god. Oh my god. It's so bad.
Oh, should I put this onto the exhaust first?
No, put it back on the car.
Okay.
Well, actually, leave it down.
Right, so we can put it onto the exhaust and then attach
Yeah,
it?
we're gonna put it on the bracket.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because muscling it onto the thing from down here is,
No, I'm
yeah.
gonna fucking want to die if we do that.
Yeah. I'm glad I thought of that. I'm so smart. What the damn dog doing?
Hey, let me get him in. Hey, let me get one too. Hey, let me hold him. Yeah, you get that right there. What the dog doing?
Hold on, Kobe.
Oh, shit. No!
So what I was doing was, oh, dude, that almost impaled my head, bro.
Ow! Don't touch it.
Motherfucker. That bitch was hot as a motherfucker, dude. That thing was so hot. Shut up. Shut up. Quit laughing, bro. I'm gonna abandon you with my friend. You son of a bitch. You're like my brother. In moments of pain, you laugh. I hate that shit, dude. Look at that thing. Baby. That's probably why. Hey, thanks again for watching the video. Before I leave you with the sounds of the before and after of my new exhaust, I just wanted to give a quick shout out to Easy Mac for helping me put this on. It wasn't easy, no pun intended. We really did work hard on getting that done. I think the scariest part is probably cutting into your diffuser, but finding out that they're really not that expensive to replace just made it, no sweat. It's a little bit of a shame that they were unable to design this without it having to be cut. But that being said, it really wasn't that big of an undertaking as far as cutting the heat shield and stuff like that. Not that big of a deal. The exhaust looks great. The welds look amazing. I have to say it sounds awesome. I'm super happy with it. Just wanted to, thank you guys for watching the channel and thank Easy Mac real quick. I'll leave you with the beautiful sounds of my new exhaust. Have a great one, and I'll see you in the next one.